From zero to hero, success stories of sports car brands. In the fast-paced world of sports cars, certain brands have managed to rise from obscurity to achieve legendary status. These success stories serve as a testament to the hard work, innovation, and unwavering dedication of these car manufacturers. From humble beginnings, these brands have carved a niche for themselves and become icons of speed, luxury, and performance. Though numerous manufacturers produce quality vehicles in the auto industry, but certain car makers excel at creating sports cars that captivate automobile enthusiasts with the exhilaration and excitement of driving, all while keeping the price within an affordable range. Today we will explore the inspiring journeys of some of the most celebrated sports car brands, showcasing their rise from zero to hero. Ferrari, a prancing horse that galloped to greatness. Ferrari, the epitome of Italian automotive excellence, began its journey in 1947 when Enzo Ferrari unveiled the first car under his own name. The brand quickly gained a reputation for crafting exquisite sports cars with a blend of breathtaking design and exhilarating performance. The iconic Ferrari 250 GTO, introduced in the 1960s, propelled the brand to new heights, dominating the racing circuits and solidifying Ferrari's status as a symbol of prestige. Today, Ferrari is synonymous with speed, luxury, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Porsche, engineering marvels born on the track. Porsche, a name that reverberates through the world of sports cars, has an origin rooted in motorsports. Founded in 1931 by Ferdinand Porsche, the brand started as a consulting firm before venturing into car manufacturing. Their breakthrough came with the Porsche 911, a timeless classic that blended elegant design with exceptional performance. Through constant innovation and a commitment to delivering the ultimate driving experience, Porsche has become an industry leader, known for their precision engineering and unparalleled driving dynamics. Lamborghini, from tractors to supercars. Lamborghini's story is a remarkable tale of transformation. Established in 1963 by Ferruccio Lamborghini, the brand initially focused on producing tractors. However, Lamborghini's passion for mechanical engineering led him to venture into the world of sports cars. With the unveiling of the Lamborghini Miura in 1966, the automotive landscape was forever changed. The Miura captivated enthusiasts worldwide with its breathtaking design and groundbreaking performance, propelling Lamborghini into the spotlight. Since then, the brand has continued to push boundaries, crafting some of the most awe-inspiring supercars ever made. Aston Martin, British elegance with unmatched power. Aston Martin, a symbol of British elegance and luxury, has a rich history that spans over a century. The brand was founded in 1913 by Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford, initially specializing in high-performance vehicles. Aston Martin's rise to prominence came in the 1960s, when the iconic DB5 made its appearance in the James Bond films. The combination of timeless design, meticulous craftsmanship, and powerful performance made Aston Martin a coveted brand among discerning enthusiasts. Today, Aston Martin continues to produce exquisite sports cars that embody the spirit of British motoring. McLaren, innovation and excellence on the track. McLaren, a name synonymous with Formula One success, has an extraordinary journey that began in 1963. Founded by Bruce McLaren, the brand started as a racing team before transitioning into a road car manufacturer. McLaren's commitment to pushing the limits of automotive engineering has resulted in groundbreaking innovations, such as the revolutionary carbon fiber chassis used in their cars. The McLaren F1, introduced in 1992, remains an automotive legend, showcasing the brand's unwavering dedication to performance, speed, and aerodynamics. Bugatti, merging artistry with engineering. Bugatti, a French marque renowned for its avant-garde design and unparalleled performance, has a storied history that dates back to the early 20th century. Founded by Ettore Bugatti, the brand quickly gained a reputation for crafting exquisite cars that seamlessly merged artistry with engineering. The Bugatti Veyron, introduced in 2005, shattered records and became a symbol of automotive excellence. With its jaw-dropping top speed and unparalleled luxury, the Veyron solidified Bugatti's position as a pinnacle of automotive engineering and opulence. Final verdict. Today we have tried to explore the remarkable success stories of renowned sports car brands, which serve as a testament to their unwavering passion, innovation, and dedication. These factors collectively drive the entire automotive industry forward, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's delve into the captivating world of sports cars, where brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, Aston Martin, McLaren, and Bugatti have left an unforgettable mark. Their elegant, powerful, and awe-inspiring creations have captured the hearts and imaginations of enthusiasts worldwide, continuously setting new benchmarks for excellence. Join us as we celebrate these inspiring success stories and the incredible impact they have had on the sports car landscape.